Yeah, let's hop in. See what's going on with you guys for this month. Okay, guys, bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Swords. So this is basically telling me that it was reversed. Sorry, somebody made a decision. One minute they want to say something to you, but the next minute they're holding back. Ace of Pentacles, they definitely want to give you an offer here. They definitely want to give you something that you deserve. But I feel like just even going back to the whole finances and career, there's something going on because I feel like there's some type of battle or argument with finances that I feel like this person is trying to get out of something. I don't know if this person was giving someone money or someone is wanting them to give them more money. There's something going on. Tell me more. Whatever is going on, this person wants you to hold on to hope because they're going to come back. They're going to come back to try to work things out with you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but I feel like this person is just really emotional right now because of everything that they put you through. And they definitely don't want to argue with you, but they feel like because of the disrespect, you're just not going to take them back with open arms, and they know that. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But this person's coming out of being frustrated about making a move towards you because they've been talking to someone. And see, they're getting ready to take a leap to come back towards you, Taurus. Because they want to speak their truth. But they know that they didn't balance things out with you. Somebody's dealing with a Sagittarius here. Yeah, they cause an imbalance between the two of you. And it's like they're trying to stay positive, but they're not. Because there was definitely somebody interfering. Could have been someone's mother or a mother figure here. Could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But there was definitely somebody interfering here. And it was somebody from their past. But they want to come back and communicate the situation to you, but they're having a hard time doing so. Why? Yeah, they don't have a happy home. Even if it's like a family situation that's going on, it's like they're not happy at all. You see, look, the sun is in reverse. They're not happy. I'm telling you, there's something going on here. Tell me more. They're trying to get out of, but see, this was a lesson for them. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo, but they had to go through this. And now they're thinking about everything that they put you through. Because, see, they want to come back to fix things, Taurus. And this person can't sleep. The way the Nine of Swords came out, it's like they cannot stop thinking about you every single day, every single night. It's like you're in their head big time. And it's like they're trying to come out of this energy. They're trying to come out of being frustrated so they can just muster up that courage to come back towards you. See? And here's your card. You guys could be dealing with another Taurus, but I do feel like this person wants to give you a commitment here. Because you deserve it. Look, look at the... I'm telling y'all, this person wants to fix things with you. This person loves you. They definitely want to give you a commitment. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. They're looking at you like you're not worried about them. You're focusing on yourself. You know, you're healing. You're coming out of being frustrated about this situation. And this is why they're taking their time coming towards you. They're moving slow because they see that you're moving on. And they're like, okay, Taurus could shut me down, or it could be vice versa, whoever. But they feel like you may not take them back because the way the Ace of Cups came out, this person definitely wants to give you a secure offer. But because of everything that they put you through, they feel like you're not going to take it. You're not. I got the Seven of Cups reversed. So this person just doesn't know what to do. They don't know what to do. Look at that. They definitely did take some type of financial loss that they're trying to get themselves out of. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil, please. Yeah, they're scared. There's definitely some fear here. Because it's like they're trying to make a decision, but they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. And see, this person is trying to stay positive. They're trying to manifest you. They're trying to manifest their finances to get better. But they know they were taking a long time to make a decision. And you're not waiting for them. But they know that they hurt you. Because, see, you're emotional still. You're still hurt. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, I feel like they're trying to throw themselves into their career because they are trying to save money here. But I do feel like they're going to come back towards you to put in the work to win your heart back. Yeah, see, there's the High Priestess. This person is definitely using their intuition here. Justice. You could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like they're using their intuition because they're trying to figure out the truth. They're trying to figure out how you feel about them. They know that they didn't bring stability in this situation at all. Could be dealing with an Aries. Tell me about the Emperor reverse. Because they feel like if they come back towards you to give you an offer, that you're going to turn them down. They do want things to improve, but they know that they broke your heart because there was some type of third-party situation going on. It was, whether it's family, friends, another man, woman, whoever. The way the Five of Pentacles just came out, it's like back and forth energy. I feel like they know that they left you out in the cold because of some type of third-party interference, and they're really hoping that you can forgive them. So, yeah, they made a decision. What's their decision, please? They're holding back giving you this offer because they're still stuck in some type of codependent situation. Tell me more. Yeah. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. And it's like they want to balance things out, but they're unsure if they're going to be able to, like if you're going to give them a chance to or not. This person doesn't want to look back at what took place in the past because they do want things to improve, especially in a financial sense. But in order for that to happen, they have to let go of something. Tell me more. I feel like their thoughts. Because, see, this person feels like they lost you for good. They're in their head. Somebody's made a decision. See? They made a decision. And due to the fact that you guys, or if it's vice versa, was stabbed in the back, I feel like some of you guys are going to shut this down. But this person is trying to have the strength to come back towards you to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. If there was a third-party situation, this person is going to free themselves. I see them having a peace of mind about coming back towards you, but they are going to have a peace of mind about their finances. So somebody made a decision, and they're going to be confident when they make this decision. But see, right now, they're not content with finances. Yeah, their money isn't right. See, they're having a hard time financially speaking. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but somebody feels stuck, trapped in a situation. It's like if they come back, you're going to be really nasty or cold. That's how they're thinking and feeling right now. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But someone wants a new beginning here. Tell me more. And they don't want you to cut them off. See, look at that. The King and the Queen of Swords. Y'all are not on the same page. But whoever messed up, they don't want you to cut them off. Tell me more. See, look at it. So they want things to improve, but there were two people here. Y'all know how I feel about court cards. So even though y'all see two kings, it could be two queens, two men, two women. But there's definitely there's some type of interference here. And it's like they want things to improve with you, but you're like, man, I don't know. Like, are you done with that third party? Are you done with that other situation? And you may be looking at them like, you know, I think I'm just going to walk away because maybe you figured out that there's still some type of tie that they haven't let go of. Yeah, see? Y'all not talking. Somebody's not speaking their truth. But see, look, the truth is going to come out. Tell me more. But somebody's moving slow to do it. Okay. Yeah, there's an offer coming in. The way that Wheel of Fortune came out, then it flipped over was really weird. I was about to say they're not going to move forward. But see, this person wants to move forward now, all of a sudden. Tell me more. Yep. This person wants a commitment. They want to win you back. Look at that. They want a family. They want to fix this. They look at you as wish fulfillment, and they're going to come and speak their truth. They're telling you this, but they're just moving really slow to do it. See, look, I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Pisces. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer, but I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you, but they're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them because they were being sneaky in the past. They feel like the seeds that you guys planted are not going to grow, but they're secretly planning here because they do want a new opportunity with you. Yeah, Taurus, they're coming back. But see, this person feels like they're not going to have a victory with you due to the fact that there was a third party here. And they feel like they can't balance things out anymore because their money isn't right because there was something with a third party here that was draining their finances. Taurus. I'm gonna just say, just leave me some comments, okay? Leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates, Lord. Yeah, let me know what y'all gonna do. All right, I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Taurus. See you soon. Bye, Taurus.